everyone, I'm Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today I am sharing a really quick unboxing for you all and first impressions video. I have been waiting months, months for these items to come in, like many of you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you all, do a little unboxing. So this is the box it came in. It's huge. So those of you who know, Telfar is one of the biggest handbag brands to pop off this year. They've been around since 2005. I actually really didn't hear about them until last year, 2020, 2019. And they blew up. They blew up last year. So I've been trying to get a Telfar bag since early last year. I kept trying to do the restock notifications. I kept trying to do everything, and I couldn't get them. And finally they did the announcement for the bag security program, and that's when I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go all out and get all the pieces that I want. So I'm gonna share with you all what I got. Big old bag. I love that these come with a dust bag, and I also love that they come in this resealable plastic, because anyone who's done the Telfar security bag program knows that we ordered these 6 months ago and so much has changed. So I'm glad they sent this in this protective plastic so that when it arrived on my doorstep, even if it came as a surprise to me any day it came, I wouldn't have to worry about it getting damaged in the rain or the snow or whatever it is. So really excited for that. Anyone who lives in New York knows that you got your bag really quickly, because what I'm seeing from the return address is that they ship from Jersey, which is amazing. It's okay, I'm getting my bag today. My bag, these shipped on Thursday and they got here. No, these shipped on Wednesday and they got here on Friday. Oh, in love. I can't wait to order some more. So this one is the blue medium shopper bag. As you can see, it comes in this really good canvas dust bag. It's drawstring, so this is how you can store your bags. You can lay them flat if you want to. I store mine open and up, but still. Ugh. Here we go. There it is. So this is the blue medium shopper. It is such a good size. You could definitely fit a laptop in here. I already tried out my MacBook Air. It fits in here perfectly. It comes, of course, with the top handle, and it comes with the crossbody strap. The straps are not removable. I just want to give everyone a heads up, because I think I assumed they were, or I forgot that they weren't. So just everybody who's ordering, give a heads up. So I'm gonna open up the bag. It has a little magnetic button closure, which I love. And let me show you the inside. Look how spacious that is. You're gonna be able to fit so much stuff in there. And the lining is that beautiful blue color. Look how gorgeous that blue is. It has a zipper pocket inside, so you can secure your phone, your wallet, your keys. I hope I'm getting a good angle there. But yeah, it's really, really spacious. And there we go. This is what it looks like unfolded. That's a great tote bag. My mom doesn't know it yet, but this is her Valentine's Day gift. I told her, I was like, Mom, have you heard of Telfar? And she's like, no. I was like, well, they call it the Bushwick Birkin. She's like, oh, I've heard of that. So I'm gonna send her this one. She needs a new work bag, and she has a blue Kate Spade that's this same color that I think it's time to replace. So I'm really excited to send this her. Got my mama a Telfar. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. When this arrived, I was thinking I'm gonna keep it for myself, but as you can see, I got the 2 small ones, so I'm really happy with this one. So here we go. We're gonna go on to the orange one. I love unboxings. I forgot how much I love unboxings. Okay, so this is the orange medium shopper. Open up the dust bag. Ooh, I gotta be delicate. This isn't mine. So this is the orange medium shopper. Once again, beautiful, vibrant color. The leather. I can't remember if this is real leather or faux leather, but I think it's vegan leather. The leather is so smooth. And what I like about this is it's the type of leather that you can wipe down. Like, you could take an alcohol-free baby wipe to this and just wipe it off every day when you come home, just so you know, get the dust and dirt of the outside off of it. Once again, it's got the top handle and the attached strap. I'll show you the inside of this one as well. Beautiful orange lining. I love that the lining is not just simple black or white like you would see with most typical tote bags, but that the lining matches the outside, and it's just as gorgeous as the outside of it. Once again, this has a zipper on the inside. Let me make sure this one is... Oh. Okay guys, I've changed. I did not realize that halfway through the video my phone stopped recording. So I was in the middle of showing you the inside of the medium orange shopper. That's the inside. Gorgeous. I love that the lining matches. And once again, the zipper pocket. Ta-da! There you go. So on top of getting the medium shoppers, I bought one for my mom and one for my auntie. I also got myself the small shoppers. So I got orange for fall, summer. You know, it's the fall color because it's got the orange like the fall leaves, and summer because sun. And I got the blue for spring and winter. Spring is always pastels. This gorgeous pastel blue is perfect for spring, and it's perfect for winter because it's like the snowy sky, you know? It's beautiful. So these bags have the magnetic button to close them and open them, but these can only fit phones, maybe keys, and maybe a small wallet inside. So I think you'll rarely be using that little button unless you don't put your phone in the bag. The inside looks like this. Unlike the medium shopper, it does not have the zipper pocket on the inside. There's just not space for it. This is a little tiny bag. It's a micro bag, but it does fit all your essentials. This is a good running errands bag. This is a bag that I wear when I know I'm just going in and out of the house and I only need a few things. I will give you all a size comparison. So this is the medium shopper and the small shopper right next to each other. See? That's how they look together. Good size, very good size. But just showing you, one's like a work bag and one's like a running around bag. The crossbody strap goes across your front really easily. And then the bag comes down and sits right on your hip. It's perfect for girls with bigger boobs or a little tummy. It's still gonna fit you really well. They're really adorable. And of course, you can wear them on the shoulder, or you can tuck the straps in and just hold them by the top handle. That's my favorite way to wear them. It's so adorable. So that is all the Telfar bags that I got. I feel like I have far too many right now, but some of them are gifts. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you all. I've seen these in multiple colors, so I'm really excited to have my own. I think I'm considering getting the black medium bag for work and for carrying my laptop. I wanted to get the black Givenchy Antigona in a size medium or large, but I have not saved enough for that yet, and I'm going back to work very soon, so I think I'm gonna get the black medium shopper Telfar bag and wear that until I get the Givenchy bag I want. But yeah, that's all the Telfars I got. Please tell me what colors you all have. I love seeing all the colors like out in the wild. I saw a girl with the yellow at Nordstrom, the deep green while I was walking through the train station. That one's actually really beautiful. Yeah, I'm just really excited to share them with you all. Tell me what you think of Telfar. I want to hear what you all think. There's tons of black owned handbag brands that have been popping up recently. There's Brandon Blackwood, there's Cisse, that's how it said, Cisse or Cisse? But anyways, I'll put it down below. There's tons out there, so I'm really happy and excited to share them with you all, and I can't wait to see what more comes of them. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, I have tons more videos coming. Subscribe, I'll have a new video coming out every Friday. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day.